Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courage. In this video, I'm quickly going to show you how you can pay for your adverts either in dollar or in Naira, all right? Because I've been getting many questions from some of my subscribers, most of you, my viewers. People ask me questions both here on YouTube, on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, everywhere. People have issues, difficulties sometimes, to pay for adverts. In some cases, the cards that you use, like your debit card, the Facebook platform do not accept those cards. Sometimes you don't get debited and your ad is not running, and so many difficulties and kind of ambiguity in paying for adverts on Facebook. So this video is going to address that. I'm going to show you how to pay in Naira and also how to pay in dollars. So whichever account you have, if you have a Naira account, I'm going to show you exactly the steps to take to make your payment and to clear your outstanding bills. And if you have a dollar account also, I'm going to show you how to make this payment without using your Nigerian bank card and without experiencing any further difficulty. Okay, so guys, please give this video a thumbs up. Just like this video so that more people get to see the video, because the more likes my video gets, the more people get to view it, right? And if you're new to this channel and you like content like this around ads, marketing, business, sales, advertising, consider subscribing to my channel and also turn on the bell icon so that you'll be among the first people to get notified whenever I post videos. So without wasting time, guys, let's dive into it. Let me show you. Let's start with the dollar account. Let's see how you can fund your dollar account and make payments for your ads. So now this is the ads manager, right? Remember that there are two types of accounts, the dollar account or the Naira account. That is in the case of those who are in Nigeria. Now, if you are in other countries, you have the dollar account and your own currency account. All right. Now, the difference is that the dollar account is prepaid, it's postpaid rather. The dollar account is postpaid, while the Naira account is prepaid. All right. The dollar account, you don't need to have money in your account to run adverts. All right. You can run adverts, and when you spend a certain amount of dollars, Facebook is going to charge your account. That is for dollar account. But for if you have a Naira account, you should have money. You need to have money in your account before you will be able to set up adverts. So these are the differences, right? In terms of performances, they both perform fantastic. They both do fine. You can either run ads with Naira account or with dollar account, and you are going to get amazing results. I don't think anyone is better than the other. It depends on your preference and your choice. Dollar account is postpaid in the sense that you can run ads and Facebook will charge you at a later time after you've spent a certain amount of dollars. Okay. Sometimes Facebook can charge you monthly or when you spend a certain amount of dollars. But for Naira account, you need to have money in your account, Congo, before you'll be able to run adverts. So now let's start with the dollar account. Let me show you exactly how to fund your account and run adverts on Facebook. So I'm using this account here. So you simply come to this, hover to this three lines here, which says all tools in your ads manager. Click on that all tools. Then you come here to billings. You see where I went to? All tools, right? All tools. So, like I said, you click here in this three line and you come to billing. You click on billing. This is for dollar account, right? You click on billing and you come here. You see that we have our standing balance 0. We are not owing Facebook a dime. We are not owing Facebook a dime, all right? So you see that it is 0 here. So what you do is you click on payment settings. Payment settings. You click on payment settings. When you click on payment settings, it is going to bring you here. This is where you're going to see your payment history, your payment activities, and everything about your payment on Facebook. Okay. As you can see, this is my card. This is my card that has been linked to this ad account. This is a Visa card. All right. So if you want to now add payments so that you're able to make payments, you click on add payments here, add payment method. You click on this, add payment method. All right. Yes, Nigeria is my region. Currency that I'm using is US dollars, and my time zone is Lagos time. You click on save. When you click on save, you can now decide, you can now choose how to add payment, either with debit card or credit card, either with PayPal or add credit. All right. Says your payment methods are saved and stored securely. Okay. So now want to use debit or credit card, either Visa, Mastercard, Amex, or Discover, right? So, but if you have PayPal, you can use PayPal. If you have add credit, use your add credit. But here we're using either debit card or credit card. So we click on next, and then you put name on card, card number, expiration date, and then your CVV. That's the three numbers at the back of your card. If you use your Nigerian card, if you use your normal bank account, normal ATM card, and put it, it may not accept it. Many of you have experienced that. It might turn it down, right? So what you do is that you create a barter card, a barter account. You create an account with barter, with get barter, so that you can get a virtual card. So you come here, you go on barter, Once you come on barter, you are going to create a barter account. This is my own barter account. This is, and I think it's been a very long time I use this account, so I can actually use this one for this training. All right. So you can say I have money here. I have 1,300 naira on this account as my balance. This is in naira as my balance. All right. So I have 1,000. You can see clearly that this month I've received zero and I've spent zero. So I've not really, you have no transactions. This is an account I abandoned a long time ago, but I can use this account now for this very tutorial. So once you go on barter, you can just simply go on the Play Store or App Store. You download the Get Barter app, the Barter app. Once you get the Barter app, you sign up, which is you register. Once you have registered on the app, you're going to see an interface like this. Okay? Your own is going to be showing zero. Your barter balance will be showing zero. So you simply click on Fund Barter Balance here. You click on Fund Barter Balance. All right? And then you put the amount you want to fund. Assuming that you want to fund this barter balance with, say, this is for dollar account. That's assuming you want to fund this with 100,000 naira, 50,000 naira. Let's assume 50,000 naira. Okay? You click on continue. You click on continue. And then you choose how you want to pay. You want to pay with USSD, you want to pay via bank, you want to pay with bank transfer, or you want to pay with NQR. All right. But this one we are paying with our card. So you put your normal Nigerian bank ATM card, you put the card number, you put your expiration date, you put the CVV here, and then you click on pay. Once you click on pay, it is going to remove money from your Naira account, your Nigerian bank account, and then put that money into your barter account. All right. It's going to put that money into your barter account. Then once you come here, you will see your new balance. Instead of this 1,352 naira, it's going to show you 50,000 naira. Now you have your barter balance sorted. Okay? You have your barter balance sorted. The next step is to now create a card, a dollar card, a virtual card. You create a virtual card. All right? You create a virtual card. You simply, since that you have created fund barter balance and you have funded your balance, now you have 50K here. You now go to cards here. Here, this is cards. You click on cards. You are going to see all your cards. These are all the cards I have used. This one will expire next year. So will expire 2025. So you simply click here, create card. You click on create card, create new card. All right. You click on create new card. You see how much money do you want to fund this card with? How much money do you want to fund the card with? You can say you want to fund the card with $20, $50. You write $50 here. Right? Now, barter, their rate is 533 naira 25 cents to $1. So the rate is 533 naira to $1. So you'll be charged 27,729 from your balance, which is from the 50,000 naira you just sent to your barter balance. All right. And to create a card, they are going to charge you card creation fee of 1,066 naira. All right, that's $2. Their card creation fee is $2. So if you want to create multiple cards, you're going to pay $2 for all the cards you create. So once you select that you want to create fund this card. This is your new card. Then the next thing is to click on create new card. Okay, once you click on create new card, that's done. It is done. Your card will be created. You now have a dollar card. You now have a dollar card. Understand? You now have a dollar card that you can use on Facebook. Always remember, once you come to card, once you now have the dollar card, you simply come here like this card now. The balance on this card is $1.26. You now pick this number, this card number here, 42880 blah blah blah. You now pick this number, you come here, you put the name first, the name on your card first. Like the name on my card here is Courage Ngele. So you can see that you can create multiple cards, as many cards as you want. So the name of my card is Courage Ngele. So I come here and I write Courage Ngele. Right? Then card number. Card number is 428803 blah 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 blah. And you come here and you put the card number. All right? 4288, it says it's Visa. Right? Card number. Then you put the expiration date. If you want to see the expiration date and the CVV, you just simply click on the card. It will turn. It will show you the back of it. Once you click on the card, you're going to see the back of the card. All right? And the expiration date and everything about the card. Then you just put all the information here and you save. Once you have saved, your card has been created. You have input a card, a payment detail. Once you do that, you are going to see something like this. I'll show you something like this. All right. Now, once you have something like this, that is done. You now have a card that can easily be charged. You can now start running adverts. Always make sure that you always have money in your barter card. All right. When the money starts going low, you simply fund your card. Once you click on the card, once you click on any card like this, all right, you can go down and see where they said fund this card. Fund this card. You click on this fund this card. You put the amount you want to fund the card with, maybe $50. You put $50 there and you click on continue. You will fund the card. So as long as you keep funding the card, Facebook is going to be charging this very card. So if there's no money in this card, you cannot run your advert. Once it's time for them to charge you and they don't see money in your card, then you have failed. Not that you have failed, then your advert will stop running. So always remember to come here and click on fund your card. Either you use your laptop or your phone. If there's a better app, download the app and use it. So you can fund your card here. So once you fund the card, the money is going to be in the card, in your Facebook ads manager, your Facebook here, your Facebook ad account. So that whenever they want to charge you, they will charge that card and not your own bank card. All right? That is how to do it with the dollar account and with the dollar ad. Once you have done that, you continue with running your adverts. Now let's go to the Naira account. Let me show you how to do with your own Naira account. So we are done with the dollar account. Now let's go to the Naira account. If you have a Naira account and you would like to fund your account to start running ads, because you need to have money in your Naira account before you're able to run ads. All right. So you simply come to the same place. This all tools here, you click on it, you go to billing. Right? Once you're in billing, you're going to see here if you are owing any outstanding balance. I'm not owing. My outstanding balance is 0. I'm not owing them. This is a new account. I just created this account. So you click on payment settings here. This is payment settings. You click on payment settings. All right. Since what you have is a Naira account, you click on add payment. You're going to see the other one that we did for the dollar account. We saw dollar. Here we are seeing Naira. You click on add payment method. So you see here, once you have put your business and tax info here, even if you don't put it, you are still going to run adverts, right? So you see add payment method, debit or credit card. This is where it is now. This is where some of you go to and you say they don't accept your card or you're not able to run adverts. This is the one you're supposed to use here. Naira payment with MasterCard or Visa card. That is the pay you option. All right. So you click on this one because you're going to be using pay you. So once you click on it, you click on next. Then you put the amount you want to fund your card with. When you want to fund it with 20,000 naira, okay, 50,000 like we said before, or 20,000 naira. You put 20,000 naira there. You click on next. Click on next and just you hold on while it is loading. Then it's going to take you to pay you platform where you will continue funding your account. So you click on continue. You click on continue here. And now this is the pay you platform. Okay. This is the pay you platform. Let's go there again, please. I just need to make you understand this thing better and make you see it clearly too. Click on continue here. So I wonder if this is a network issue. I have a very strong network here. Okay, let's do this. Let's cancel this here and let's start again. Add payment method. Come here, pay you, use pay you, click on next, add amount, 20,000 naira like we did. Click on next, click on continue. Then put your details here, your card details. All right, your card, your Nigerian bank account, your normal ATM card. You put your card number, your card name, the name on your card, expiry date, the expiry month and date, and then you click on pay. You click on pay 20,000 naira. Once you click on this, it's going to take you to a new interface. A new interface where you, just like you're buying things online, right? Then it's going to send you OTP. Once you put your OTP and you click on I accept, your account will be credited with 20,000 naira. Okay? Your account will be credited with 20,000 naira. And that is all. Once you have created your account, when you come here, you see your current balance. The 20,000 naira will be shown here. Then you can start running adverts. Easy like that. Easy PC. All right. So guys, that's exactly how to set up payments for either the dollar account or the Naira account. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me the questions in the comment sections below, and I'll be there to answer all your questions. And if you'd like me to create a video on how to, do this barter, how to start a new barter account, also let me know. I can just make out a separate video for how to start with the get barter, how to get the barter account and set it up properly. All right. So yes, if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer your questions. And that is it for this video, guys. And thank you and cheers.